Programme, rendez-vous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Comment tu t'appelles? Walalou. Je m'appelle. Oh. Comment tu t'appelles? Wanji. Papa Ute.
Hey, Natukunda. Okelo. French time. Yo, what's up? It's French time.
Bonjour à tous. Comment ça va?
Interactive teaching of French at Makerere University Rift Research Project. Johnny, honey, rendezvous. Rendezvous.
So don't miss out on your favorite French learning show every Sunday from 8:15 to 9 p.m. here on UBC Radio.
Bonsoir, dear listeners. Bonsoir, les élèves.
Bonsoir.
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 Rendezvous.
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 Okay, so dear listeners and dear learners, tune in every Sunday on UBC Radio at 8:15 p.m. Our rendezvous is a French language learning program under Makerere University in collaboration with UBC. And in Kampala, we can get the frequency on 98.0 FM, in Arua 97.4 FM, in Lira 99.4 FM, and we also have social media pages. We have Facebook, we have a Twitter handle, and we have a YouTube channel, all in one name, Rendezvous RIF 2. Rendezvous RIF 2 is spelled as RENDEZ hyphen VOUS RIF then 2 as in number 2. Rendezvous.
Rendezvous.
Je m'appelle Fiona Kabahuma. Je suis votre professeur d'aujourd'hui. Merci. Bon, my name is Fiona Kabahuma and I am your teacher today or tonight. Let's also listen from our dear students. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Malcolm.
Merci Malcolm. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Joella.
Moi, merci Joella. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Lucy.
Donc, on a Lucy, Joella et Malcolm. Merci beaucoup les élèves. Dear listeners, you can also tell your neighbor or tell yourself your name. For example, moi, je m'appelle Fiona. So where is Fiona? Put your name. Je m'appelle Chayune, je m'appelle Chizito, je m'appelle Okelo, je m'appelle Kasada. Merci beaucoup. Bon, we are going to listen in to something we can use to enjoy. It is, of course, always done in Uganda, and it's going to introduce us to our lesson today or tonight. Les petites annonces. Les petites annonces. Can we repeat for the listeners?
Les petites
annonces. And the first petite annonce we are going to have is annoncer une fête de mariage. Annoncer une fête de mariage. Can we repeat?
Annoncer une fête de mariage.
So we are looking at small announcements that are usually made. It can be over the radio, sometimes over the TV, but let's listen in to something nice and then we proceed. Merci. Amusez-vous. Okay. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. You've heard that. Usually in Uganda, you hear people singing, "Here comes the bride." Ah. Aha. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Anyway, that sound is normally made when the bride is entering the church. But before that, we normally have les annonces, where we announce these ceremonies. And we do this many times in church, so that those who have probably an issue or, there are those you call exes, they may come up and say, that one is my bride, or that is my groom, so what are you saying? There are even those who are already married and they want to remarry, but they are still married, all those issues. Anyway, so, comment annonce une fête de mariage? How do you make an announcement of a marriage ceremony? In Uganda, we've been doing it in Uganda, we've been doing it in English, we've been doing it in Acholi, in Runyaktara, in Lusoga, in Lusamya, in Lugisu, and many other languages, in Lukonzo, in Lunyoro, in Lutoro, etc. Donc, what about en français? So we have a simple example here of two people who are intending to, of course, wed. We have a couple that is Christian. We also have a couple that is Muslim or Islamic, should I say. And we are going to see how these two announce the two different marriage ceremonies of theirs before they take place. The first couple, we have Emmanuel Anambi and Deo Nsubuga. No. Have Emmanuel Anambi, and this Nambi is, of course, happy to announce the marriage of the friends, the marriage ceremony of her friends, Deo Nsubuga and Regina Namsoke, at Lubaga, of course, church, and the time is there, 10, and they are saying that everyone is invited to be there, or they can't wait to see everyone attending. So, how do we do that en français? Maybe we first read through so that we get to know these words, and then we proceed to an announcement. Annoncer une fête de mariage. Can we repeat?
Annoncer une fête de mariage.
One more time.
Annoncer une fête
de mariage.
Let's spell for the listeners. Annoncer.
Annoncer. A-N-N-O-N-C-E-R. Annoncer.
Merci beaucoup. Une fête.
Une fête. Une U-N-E. Fête. F-E-T-E.
Merci beaucoup. Annoncer une fête de mariage. De mariage.
De mariage. D-E-M-A-R-I-A-G-E.
Merci beaucoup. Let's read it together. Annoncer une fête
de
mariage. To announce a marriage ceremony. Or a marriage... can we say party? No. Ceremony. It's a ceremony. Bon. So we have someone in the names of Sylvia Namugambe, and she's so happy, of course, to announce the marriage ceremony of her friends. And dear listeners, in the studio, she's with us. The way she's all jumping around, I wish you could see. Sylvia, I tell you. So there we are. She's so happy, and she's announcing, of course, this union of Joseph Obare and Ibrek Abeho at St. Francis Church, of course, at Makerere, at 12 or midday. And they are saying, of course, everyone should be there. Dear listeners, if you know these people, especially the community of Riff 2, Rendezvous Riff 2, please make sure you are there, just in case they are part of us, of course. Dear listeners, we are going to see how it can be done in Uganda. In Uganda, how do you announce such? Okay, let's go. Sylvie Namugambe est heureuse. Est heureuse. Heureuse means, of course, happy, you know. You can't announce something nice like a marriage ceremony when you're gloomy, you're very annoyed and very disappointed. You have to be happy and you had a happiness. Heureuse de vous annoncer le mariage de ses amis Joseph Obale et Y Abeho à l'église de Saint-Francis à Makerere à 12h ou à midi. Tout le monde est impatient d'y être. So we are going to do it together with our learners here. And also make sure, dear listener, wherever you are and whoever you are, you tune in and, of course, try to pick something, pick a leaf, so that in the future, you can also announce one for your friends. Okay, let's read together.
Sylvie Namugambe est heureuse de vous annoncer le mariage de ses amis Joseph Obale et Y Abeho à l'église de Saint-Francis à Makerere à
12h. Sometimes they say à midi, hein? Tout le monde.
tout le monde est impatient d'y être.
Let's repeat now for the listeners in a better way. But let's go a bit slow still because there are many of our listeners who say sometimes we are fast. So this time let's go a bit slow. Sylvie
Namugambe
That is the friend's name who is going to announce, dear listeners. Sylvie Namugambe est heureuse de vous annoncer le mariage de ses amis. Let's pause there, dear students. Sylvie Namugambe est heureuse de vous annoncer le mariage de ses amis. She's happy. She's delighted to announce to you the marriage of her friends. Let's continue. Who are those friends of hers? Dear class.
Joseph Obale
et Abeho
Où?
à l'église de Saint-Francis à Makerere
À quelle heure?
à 12h.
Some people say
À midi.
merci. Tout le
Tout
monde.
tout le monde est
Impatient d'y être.
Merci beaucoup, dear listeners. Now you somehow have an idea of. Okay, let's go through one more time so that our listeners are well conversant with what we are saying. Annoncer une fête de mariage. Let's go through one more time. Qui annonce? Who is announcing? Qui annonce? Who is announcing? Dear listeners, such an announcement is usually made on social media platforms like Facebook. Some people take it to their Twitter handles. Others spread messages on WhatsApp. Sometimes they do a simple video and they post on Instagram, etc. So we are living in of course, in a digital era. We must be informed and we must be aware of operations concerning social media, and this is what people are doing today. Let's go through one more time. Sylvie Suvi na Mugambe. Heureuse. Dear listeners, we are saying heureuse because it is Sylvia. If it was Sylvester, we would have said heureux. What would we say, class? Sylvester heureux. Can we spell heureux? Dear listeners, heureux is of course masculine, and we are going to spell it for you. Heureux.
Heureux.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Heureux. That is for Sylvester, but for Sylvie we say heureuse. Can someone spell heureuse?
Heureuse. Heureuse.
Merci beaucoup. Heureuse. Elle est heureuse. Why is she happy? Elle est heureuse de. Can we start from de?
De vous annoncer
le mariage de ses amis.
Merci beaucoup. She's announcing to you of course the marriage ceremony of her friends. And who are the friends? Qui sont of course des amis?
Joseph Opale
et Ibrek
Abeho.
And those are the people we are referring to. Where are they going to marry from? Dear listeners, we are going to continue and we show, of course, where they are going to marry from. And usually we have, if it's a Christian faith, like we have Joseph and Ibrek, of course we go to l'église, a church. We go to a church. If you're Catholic, they call it ecclesia, une église. Donc, où? Where? À l'église. Let's begin from à l'église.
À l'église de Saint Francis à Makerere.
You can see she's very elaborate. She says à l'église. Let me request Malcolm to spell for the listeners l'église so that they know.
L'église. L''IGLISE. À l'église.
L'église. Merci beaucoup. That is church, of course. And the church is St. Francis at Makerere University, I think so. So, the time. Quand? À quelle heure? Quand? When? À
12 heures.
À 12 heures. At 12 hours, of course. By now, we must be able to tell these numbers. 12, 12. Or midi. Tout le monde est en passion d'y être. Can we try? Tout le monde.
Tout le monde est en passion d'y être.
D'y être. Of course, everyone. Of course. I mean, she's trying to say that we can't wait to be there. We can't wait to be there. So that is one of the announcements. So let's go ahead to see the one for our friends who are Muslim. How do they do it? Now, this one can be as well put probably on an invitation card, as well as a written message to be spread on social media, sometimes also on mass media. It can be on radio, it can be on TV, so it depends on where you want to announce from. But mostly in church, especially the church where you are going to be wedded. Bon, so we have no more announcements where I say the family of Mr. So and so and the family of so and so, happy to announce the union of their children, so and so and so and so. So that's what we want to see tonight. Rendezvous. I'm telling you, people are happy in the studio here. I wish you were here, dear listeners. You would be climbing tables with happiness. Ok, merci. La famille de Monsieur et Madame Adrico. La famille, let's try.
La famille de Monsieur et Madame Adrico et la famille de Monsieur et Madame Opio
ont
la joie de vous annoncer le mariage de leurs enfants. Arafat Andikule et Halima Apio à la mosquée de Chibouli à 8 suivi par une réception de mariage à l'hôtel de Sheraton. Venez partager avec nous ces moments de bonheur.
Wow! Applaudissez. Thank you so much. Dear listeners, our students are improving day in, day out. I tell you. Malcolm, how are you feeling?
Great.
I tell you, great. Even the English is changing to French. Okay, so we have two families here. La famille de Monsieur et Madame. Mr. and Mrs. Monsieur et Madame. Can we spell Monsieur, Malcolm?
Monsieur. M-E-U. Monsieur. M-O-N-S-I-E-U-R. Monsieur.
Monsieur. That is Mr. And then Joella spell Madame.
Madame. M-A-D-A-M-E.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. La famille. Lucy spell famille.
La famille. L-A-F-A-M-I-L-L-E.
La famille. De. Now remember, in our previous lesson, we learned preposition de. The family of Mr. and Mrs. In this case, what is the family's name? Dear class, for the listeners?
Adrico.
Adrico. Merci beaucoup. Et la famille est, spell E, Joella?
E-E-T.
E-T. And it means and. Et la famille de Monsieur et Madame Opio. We have a family of Adrico and a family of Opio. On la joie. On la joie. With the joy. Have the joy of de vous annoncer le mariage. The joy to announce to you. De leurs enfants. Of their children. Leurs enfants. How do you say of their children?
De vous.
Leurs enfants. One more time.
De
leurs enfants.
Spell leur, Malcolm.
Leur. L-E-U-R-S. Leur.
Leur. Their children. Spell enfant, Lucy.
Enfant. E-N-F-A-N-T-S.
Enfant. Of course, we are using leur with S because les enfants are more than one. So, les enfants, who are their children?
Arafat Adukule et Halima Apio.
Where? Où?
Où?
Where? À la mosquée.
À la mosquée.
They are Muslims, so they don't go to church. They go to the mosque. À la mosquée. Which mosque?
De Chibouli.
De Chibouli. Of course, there are several mosques in Uganda. Dear listeners, a mosque. Une mosque is a mosque. Spell mosque.
Mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E-E. Mosque.
Mosque. Dear listeners, now you know when you are going to the mosque, you say je vais à la mosquée. Now you know what to say. À 8 heures. 8? Which number is 8? 8. Très bien. 8 heures. Of course, Islamic marriages, for them, they go as early as possible. They don't like wasting time. Okay. Suivi par une réception. Suivi. Followed by. Some people say and then. Others say thereafter. It depends on what you want to use in your announcement. Let's spell suivi for the listeners, Joella. Suivi.
Suivi. S-U-I-V-I.
Suivi. Merci beaucoup. Par. Par is another preposition. By. P-A-R. Par. Une réception, of course, réception is the same with English, de mariage à l'hôtel de Sheraton. At which hotel?
Sheraton.
À l'hôtel de Sheraton. And then down here, these parents, of course, are telling us to come and share this moment of joy, moment of happiness. Venez partager avec nous ce moment de bonheur. Rendez-vous?
Rendez-vous.
Rendez-vous?
Rendez-vous.
Okay, let's proceed, dear listeners. Of course, you can tune in every Sunday on UBC Radio at 8:15 or on UBC Radio. Merci beaucoup. So, normally these downer messages are personal messages from those who are announcing. So, when someone says, venez partager, come share, come and share. Venez partager avec nous. Partager avec nous. Come share with us. Son moment de bonheur. This moment of joy. This moment of happiness. You know? The other lady called Sylvie said, tout le monde est en pension d'y être. You know? Everyone can't wait to be there. Or, I can't wait to see you there. You know, these are personal messages to push us to come for such weddings, to be happy with the rest. Rendezvous.
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 Dear listeners, I hope by now you can ably announce your marriage ceremony in church, on social media, and on mass media if you see it fit. Those in Kampala, you can get us on 98.0 FM. Those in Arua on 97.4 FM. Those in Lira, get us on 99.4 FM. You can also catch us on social media, Facebook, on Twitter. We have a handle there. And we have a channel on YouTube, all in the name of Rendezvous Riff 2. Rendezvous is RENDEZ hyphen or dash VOUS. Riff 2 is RIF in capital letters. And then 2 as in number 2. Rendezvous.
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 Dear listeners and dear students, we are going to listen to a song entitled Vive la mariée. Vive la mariée. Amusez-vous. Enjoy. Please enjoy. Make sure you enjoy.
Vive la mariée, la jolie mariée, je veux l'embrasser, la faire danser. Vive la mariée, tous applaudissez et très fort chantez. Vive la mariée, en robe de dentelle, Dieu qu'elle est belle. Moi à l'école, je l'aimais déjà. Elle a de si beaux yeux, de si longs cheveux. Elle épouse Cola, tant pis pour moi. Vive la mariée, la jolie mariée, je veux l'embrasser, la faire danser. Vive la mariée, tous applaudissez et très fort chantez. Vive la mariée, aujourd'hui c'est la fête. Et dans ma tête, tous mes souvenirs tournent à la fois. La mariée aux 12 yeux, j'en suis amoureux. Elle préfère Cola, tant pis pour moi. Allez-y, tout le monde ensemble.
Dear listeners, this song, just know I'm enjoying. Rendezvous.
Rendezvous.
Students are enjoying like me.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Ça va. Bon, so we've been listening in annoncer une fête de mariage. We've had how a Christian marriage can be announced by a friend to other friends. How an Islamic marriage can also be announced, including parents and of course their children. Where, of course, in church or mosque. Also, the timing is very important, and you must be happy, like we said earlier, to invite someone for a wedding. You do not just feel bad when you are announcing. Bon, so we are going to look at quelques vocabulaire et expressions. We're going to look at some vocabulary and some expressions that we've been using, and probably we do not know what these words or these expressions mean. We have fête de mariage. Can we repeat?
Fête de mariage.
All of us, one more time.
Fête de mariage.
And fête de mariage, of course, une fête is a party or a ceremony, of course, but mostly a party. And we are saying this is a wedding party or a wedding celebration, because we celebrate people's social life in terms of marriage. Then we have petite or petite. Can we try to repeat?
Petite.
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 It is a small word there, or an adjective that means
Small.
small. Merci beaucoup. And then we've been saying annoncer, annoncer, annonce. Can you repeat? Annonce.
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 What is une annonce?
Announcement.
An announcement. Merci beaucoup. And then we have, of course, you can't announce without joy. You announce with joy. And the joy in French is la joie. Can we try to repeat that?
La joie.
Can we spell for the listeners? La joie.
La joie.
Mhm.
L-A-J-O-I-E.
Of course, there is space between la and joie. La joie. Can we repeat? La joie. Then we have heureuse. Can we repeat?
Heureuse.
Dear listeners, repeat with us. Heureuse. And what does heureuse mean?
Happy.
Happy. Can we spell heureuse?
Heureuse. H-E-U-R-E-U-S-E. Heureuse.
Heureuse. Très bien. Of course, we said for heureuse, we look at generally females or feminine nouns like Sylvie. Of course, like we earlier saw in the announcement. We also have heureux. Can we repeat?
Heureux.
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 Can we spell heureux?
H-E-U-R-E-U-X.
Heureux. That is for masculine nouns like Sylvester, like Salongo, like Sechitoleko, like Sajabi, Opio, Mujuni. You know, those names that are really masculine. You don't just play around with those names. You've got to say heureux. And those, of course, like Sylvie, Jeanne, Jen, Sarah, Fiona, myself, of course. Lucy, Joella, of course, in our studio here. They say heureuse. And then we said we go to a place to celebrate this union. Or, of course, to have the union first, then we celebrate later. We have l'église. Can we repeat?
L'église.
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 Can we spell l'église?
L'église. L''E-G-L-I-S-E. L'église.
L'église. And what does l'église mean, Joella?
Church.
Church. for the Christians who go to church. Please, even if we are under, of course, SOPs and whatsoever, please pray from home. Priez chez vous. La mosquée. We have another one. If you don't go to à l'église, of course, if you don't go to l'église, you go to la mosquée. Let's have Joella spell for us. La mosquée.
La mosquée. LA space MOSQUEE.
Okay, merci beaucoup. La mosquée. That is for our dear brothers and sisters from the Islamic faith. And we can, of course, say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh from the studios of UBC Radio. Rendezvous.
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 10 heures. Heure. Can we repeat? Heure.
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 It's a funny one, but nice. Can we spell heure?
Heure.
HEURES.
Heure. That is for time or hours, okay?
Yes.
10 heures. 10 heures is 10 a.m. What about 9 heures?
9.
9. What about 8 heures?
8.
What about 5 heures?
5.
5. Très bien. Tout le monde. Tout le monde. Can we try?
Tout le monde.
Rendezvous.
Rendezvous.
Students, what's happening? Rendezvous.
Rendezvous.
Tout le monde.
Tout le monde.
Can we try to spell tout le monde for the listeners? Quickly.
TOUT space LE space MONDE.
Merci beaucoup. Tout le monde. Meaning
Everyone.
Yi. Just letter Y. Y. There. It's a pronoun. And we use it a lot en français. Then we have a verb. Of course, we had a noun, annonce. Now this is a verb, annoncer, ending with R. We have bonheur. Can we spell bonheur? Joella?
Bonheur. BONHEUR.
Bonheur. And what does it mean?
Happiness.
Happiness. Le mariage de. Le mariage de. Okay. We have moment de bonheur. A happy moment. And then we have le marié and la mariée. Le marié is the groom and la mariée is the bride. La and then le. Okay. Dear listeners, we have from Rendezvous Rive 2 program. Of course, in today's lesson, we are going to task ourselves. We have a simple task, simple exercise. We are going to write down a simple announcement of the people we know that are about to get married. And we are going to do it en français. And we are going to send our work. Of course, we've been listening in and we now know how to write an announcement. A small announcement, not a big one. We don't need big ones. We need just small, simple announcements. And we are declaring a number where you can send the work on WhatsApp. It is 0703 362 292. 0703 362 292. 0703 36 22 92. So WhatsApp us your work and we'll go through it. We can also use the same number to send in comments and complaints as well. They can't miss. We want, especially the complaints, we need them. Merci beaucoup. Tune in every Sunday on UBC Radio at 8:15 p.m. Rendezvous is of course a project at Makerere University in collaboration with UBC. And then you can get us on 98.0 FM in Kampala, 97.4 FM in Arua, 99.4 FM in Lira. And on social media, we are on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as Rendezvous Rive 2. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Je ne pense que toi, ne pars pas, je t'en supplie.
reste près de moi, je t'en prie mon bébé. Maman, je désire te garder pour l'éternité. Reviens-moi Aïcha, ne t'en va pas Aïcha. Une dernière chance Aïcha, nous deux c'est pour la vie Aïcha. J'aurais voulu être médecin pour soigner mes plaies, baby. Je croyais qu'il n'y aurait pas de fin. La rupture fut soudaine. Malgré que j'ai tout fait pour te plaire, battu pour pas te perdre, baby. Que tu te perdes que dans mes bras. J'ai mal depuis que je t'ai perdu. Je ne sais plus où je me situe. Tu m'as offert ton corps pour que j'y danse. C'est depuis là que j'étais sans vigilance. Mon amour disparaît en même temps que ta pudeur. Il a fallu le voir de mes yeux pour confirmer les rumeurs. Ouais, reviens-moi Aïcha, ne t'en va pas Aïcha. Une dernière chance Aïcha, nous deux c'est pour la vie Aïcha. Zangalanga Aïcha, Kenete Aïcha, Chassa Souka Aïcha, Ngana Yapona Libela Aïcha. Au ventre, les étoiles plein les yeux, maman. Quand tu es loin de moi, tu me hantes. Enfant de cœur à l'étendue. Si à ton apport que j'ai jeté l'encre, ma flamme ne finira jamais en cendres. La magie du premier amour me fait ignorer qu'il se terminera un jour. Ton odeur que t'as laissée sur notre bed, comment veux-tu que je ne cesse de penser à toi? Aïcha mama, Aïcha mama. Reviens-moi Aïcha, ne t'en va pas Aïcha. Une dernière chance Aïcha, nous deux c'est pour la vie Aïcha. Zangalanga Aïcha, Kendete Aïcha, Chassa Souka Aïcha, Ngana Yapona Libela Aïcha.
Pour tous ceux qui sont présents, je lève mon verre, mais toi tu n'es plus là maintenant. Remonte les souvenirs de tout ce que l'on a vécu. À ceux qui sont là aujourd'hui et tous ceux qui ne sont plus dans ma vie, ressurgissent encore tous ces souvenirs. Des souvenirs qui te ramènent à moi. Je me souviens très bien d'un temps où je ne connaissais pas la peine. Je croyais en l'éternité, que tout resterait pareil. Mais mon cœur est comme mon hiver quand on prononce ton nom. Car je ne peux plus t'appeler, un jour nous nous retrouverons. Hey. Tout le monde souffre parfois, tout le monde souffre un jour. Hey, hey. La douleur passera, j'aimerais lever mon verre pour tous ceux qui sont présents. Je lève mon verre, mais toi tu n'es plus là maintenant. Remonte les souvenirs de tout ce que l'on a vécu. À ceux qui sont là aujourd'hui et tous ceux qui ne sont plus dans ma vie, ressurgissent encore tous ces souvenirs. Des souvenirs qui te ramènent à moi. Tous ces souvenirs qui te ramènent à moi. Je me souviens très bien d'un temps où je me sentais perdue, quand la haine était bien trop forte, si puissante et imprévue. Aujourd'hui mon cœur est un phare qui éclaire l'obscurité, et je l'allumerai pour toi, je ne l'éteindrai jamais. Tout le monde souffre parfois, tout le monde souffre un jour. La douleur passera, j'aimerais lever mon verre pour tous ceux qui sont présents. Je lève mon verre, mais toi tu n'es plus là maintenant. Remonte les souvenirs de tout ce que l'on a vécu. À ceux qui sont là aujourd'hui et tous ceux qui ne sont plus dans ma vie, ressurgissent encore tous ces souvenirs. Des souvenirs qui te ramènent à moi. Tous ces souvenirs qui te ramènent à moi. Tous ces souvenirs qui te ramènent à moi. Tous ces souvenirs qui te ramènent